What's up, everyone? Just back with a quick video real quick. I finally got me the Hobbywing Fusion Pro Elite. Finally got one. And we finally got some corner scales so we can test them out. Still got the Holmes Hobby 2-in-1, but I think I need to do the update on it. It clogs really bad. Then we found some stickers. Put them on the skid steer. Looks pretty good. Got one on both sides. Looks pretty good. But now I just want to show a quick video. Can't wait to try out the Fusion. But I like that new 10.3 that came out. I was looking at it. We'll see. And got that all. Got a couple cars up there. There's a couple little things. But getting her together. The new RC room. But yeah. These are kind of cool. One acts kind of weird. I don't know who plays. Might just be operator error. But yeah. That's all we got. Just a little bit of a couple packages and stuff. Well, I hope everybody's being safe and staying warm. Until next time. Later.